checkout time, and we just checked out from our Airbnb, so we are going back to Bay now. It was great while it lasted, and I'm sure Babe did enjoy his birthday. So thank you guys for watching this part of the vlog. Because I'm changing money, but guys, it's so friggin' hot. Bombi, they had your fat. I have to sit down with the door open, and Kamar is in the line. It's hot. Yo guys, one thing I noticed with this blonde hair is that it's trashy. This is my first time wearing like 613 hair, and the hair is actually very trashy. You know, like the ends. I want to cut it again, but guys, it is extremely hot. Oh my god. And yeah, by the way, we reaching to Mobay now, so we're out at Iron Shore. That's if you guys know where that is, out at Blue Diamond. That's so hot as shit, guys. Holy shit, man, I have to step out of the car because it's so hot. So we're at a cook shop right now, picking up food before we reach up a yard. Kemar literally just parked the car right beside where to order. I got them Gwaan with a Jamaica all the time. I don't even know what he's ordering for me. I think a fried chicken and something. This is the food that I got. Look good. Look great. Hey guys, don't mind the fuzziness of this hair because I need to cut it. Like, it's terrible now. It's actually really terrible. Watch it. No sir, you need for cut. But Waaah guys, I am going into Mobay town, to downtown, because I am going to buy up some little snacks and stuff like that. And I never even know breakfast yet, so I want something to eat. But guys, right now, Justin Trudeau, who is my prime minister, for those who are not from Canada, he banned traveling to the Caribbean. He banned flights, so I'm here wondering if I'm stuck. I'm stuck in Jamaica, so let's see. Looks like I'm gonna live here for a few months, but yeah, that's what I'm here trying to figure out what's gonna happen right now because of the flight cancellations. So I don't know what I go on still, but yeah guys, as I said, I'm gonna go into town to go buy some food stuff and come back, and then I have to do my sister-in-law's hair. So that's what I'm doing today. But I need to fix this because this looks like trash. Like, I don't even want to flat iron my hair right now because I don't want it to get worse. I need to cut this off. Like, that looks horrible. That is horrible. But yeah guys, hi. What is your name? Michaela. Michaela is my goddaughter, right? Oh, you're my goddaughter. I'm your godmommy. She has her clip. Show them your clip. The one in your hand, the comb. Show them it. What color is it? Pink. Correct. Yes. You like it? Yes. Yeah, comb my ear now. Gotcha. So that's how you're gonna leave me, girl? That's how you're doing my hair? Oh, I'm feel weird. Okay. You guys know that when I go downtown, I cannot really video myself because I'm not really taking out my phone. So that's why you guys never really get footage of when I'm downtown. But right now, I am in the shop with Kemar, just chilling. Gonna eat. Then I'm gonna do my sister-in-law's hair. What am I doing?
You a favorite tate.
I'm vlogging.
Yes. And first.
Tell them hi.
First, Harvey.
Wait, don't do that. Don't do that. Guys, I'm here doing hair right now. I'm just taking a little break, but I'm doing the sewing and stuff. And I'm here with Jayla.
Hi.
Yes, Jayla. This is my best friend, guys. Like every time I come, she's always itch up on me, right? Right?
Yes.
You're my best friend?
Yes.
Ah. So.
And right here is right here don't have anything.
It says thread.
A thread.
Say hair thread.
A hair thread come out of hair thread. When your hair thread go like this, you open.
You open it.
And then you lock.
It lock.
And then when you open. Alright.
Okay. So she's with me because she wants to be a hairdresser, right?
And then this here.
Yeah, she wants to do hair when she gets older, apparently. She's always playing in my hair.
Then you move out of there.
Yeah.
Don't move. Only stays.
5, 6.
So I'm what for
One.
myself. I don't my fault.
Phone a gone.
Don't
Bad. He just bad.
I get myself, brother.
That guy going in one.
So you want them to do one day?
Come show.
It's me dead.
Move that off that board. You don't mean already.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just one more. Yeah. One no. In the nearest police station.
You want double one.
That's it, true. So just jump right over my head. Just jump right over my head. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jaden? The socks. Yeah? 8, yeah. On the top? Okay. We are outside. Just relaxing. We are eat. Chicken. Yummy.